Experience the ease of banking with HDFC Bank new ChatBanking on WhatsApp. Manage all your HDFC Bank account activities with your fingertips with 180 plus transactions. Let's take you through the journey. Save 7070022222 and send hi to the HDFC Bank WhatsApp. You will be asked to input the required data for completing your one-time registration process. Share the details. You can register via last 4 digits of customer ID or the last 4 digits of your debit card for the account holder. Or the last 4 digit of loan account number for only loan customer, or last 4 digit of credit card for only credit card customer. And 6 digits OTP will be shared on your mobile number registered with your HDFC account. Enter the OTP. You have successfully registered for HDFC Bank ChatBanking. On the screen will be displayed a plethora of services for you to explore. Let's say you want to know about your account services. Simply tap on the query. Various account services are now visible on your chat screen. Mention your query. You can either type your request or select from the provided menu. A solution for all your banking queries. HDFC Bank ChatBanking.